Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be answering another frequently asked question on calculator used for ACT maths. Okay, so in this particular video, the question goes like this: what are the best TI-84 plus tricks for the ACT? Okay, so to answer this question concerning the ACT TI-84 plus tricks, there are a couple of math topics you can use the TI-84 plus tricks to you know solve fast or do faster. Okay, so some of them include we have graphing equations to find solutions. Yes, the TI-84 plus can do that better and faster. Using the intersect feature for systems of equations, yes, can do that faster. Finding zeros, that's roots of polynomial functions, yes, it can do that faster, guys. Also using the table functions to identify patterns, performing quick statistical calculations including mean, mode, media, standard deviation and the rest of them. We also have solving equations with the numeric solver. Okay, yeah, I can do that. So these are some of the math problems the TID for plus can help you to tackle faster. Now, this is the reason this channel exists. When it comes to this my channel, when it comes to playlist, let me show you the right playlist to go for if you really want to learn this TI-84 plus matrix. So when you come to my playlist, navigate down to this particular video I'm going to show you. Okay, so come to this one that is staring at you, I'm pointing at. You see, the title of this playlist is Easy Steps to 36 No Stress ACT Math Test Calculator Tricks. So inside this playlist I have about, if you can see, 51 lessons inside. So just take your time to go through it. You will see all my short clip videos demonstrating how you can use the TI-84 plus CE, the latest version, to solve a good number of problems in maths for your ACT. Okay, so I hope this video answer this question correctly for you. So I end this video here and I will see you in the next video.